Sony's A7 series has completely changed the mirrorless camera world, and now all eyes are on the highly anticipated Sony A7V. For over a decade, Sony has been pushing the limits of what creators can expect from a full-frame camera, and with this new release the company might just raise the bar again. From a rumored stacked CMOS sensor and next-generation AI autofocus, to internal 8K video recording, advanced stabilization, and improved ergonomics, the A7V looks like it's shaping up to be the ultimate hybrid tool for photographers, filmmakers, and content creators alike. In this video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far, the expected release date, full specs, upgrades, and why this camera could become a true game-changer for the next generation of creators. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Sony A7 series has long been recognized as one of the most revolutionary lineups in the mirrorless camera world, and now all eyes are set on the highly anticipated Sony A7V. For years, Sony has been pushing boundaries with its full-frame mirrorless cameras, starting with the original A7 that introduced photographers and filmmakers to a more compact yet powerful system that could rival bulky DSLRs. Each generation that followed brought incremental improvements, from better autofocus systems and sharper sensors to more advanced video features and faster processors. With the A7V, Sony is expected to take everything it has learned over the last decade and deliver a camera that sets a new gold standard for hybrid creators. While rumors and leaks have already started surfacing, the buzz surrounding this release shows just how influential the A7V could be. Whether you are a professional filmmaker, a wedding photographer, a travel vlogger, or a content creator looking for the ultimate balance of portability and performance, the A7V is shaping up to be a camera designed with you in mind. When people think of Sony's full-frame lineup, they often remember how the A7 III became one of the most beloved mirrorless cameras of all time. It hit the sweet spot by offering professional-level performance at a price that was relatively accessible compared to its competitors. The A7 IV then elevated things further with higher resolution, improved color science, and a much-needed boost in video recording capabilities. Now, with the A7V, Sony is expected to take an even bolder leap forward. The industry is watching closely because this release won't just be about small tweaks. It could represent a major redesign that sets the stage for the next 5 years of mirrorless camera evolution. One of the most exciting aspects of the Sony A7V is the rumored sensor technology. Industry insiders suggest that Sony may debut a brand new full-frame stacked CMOS sensor with this model, potentially in the 33MP to 45MP range. This would offer creators the perfect balance between resolution for still photography and speed for video and burst shooting. Stacked sensors are known for their ability to minimize rolling shutter and deliver faster readout speeds, which is crucial for both high frame rate video and fast action photography. For creators who shoot sports, wildlife, or fast-moving subjects, this could be a game changer. Imagine capturing 8K video with minimal rolling shutter artifacts, or shooting bursts of 20 to 30 frames per second with full autofocus tracking, all in a compact mirrorless body. Autofocus has always been one of Sony's strongest weapons, and with the A7V, expectations are sky-high. Sony has been integrating AI-based subject recognition into its recent releases, and this camera is likely to push that technology even further. Rumors suggest that the A7V will feature improved real-time tracking that not only locks onto